In an Agile environment, the project sponsor plays a crucial role in ensuring the success of the project. Here are some key responsibilities of a project sponsor in an Agile environment. 1. Providing high-level strategic guidance. The project sponsor is responsible for providing overall strategic direction and guidance for the project. They need to ensure that the project aligns with the organization's mission and vision. 2. Securing resources. The project sponsor is responsible for securing the necessary resources for the project, including funding, personnel, and equipment. They need to ensure that the project team has the resources they need to deliver the project successfully. 3. Managing stakeholders. The project sponsor is responsible for managing the stakeholders involved in the project. They need to ensure that all stakeholders are engaged and informed throughout the project lifecycle. 4. Monitoring progress. The project sponsor is responsible for monitoring the project's progress and ensuring that it stays on track. They need to ensure that the project team is meeting its goals and milestones and that any issues are addressed promptly. 5. Removing obstacles. The project sponsor is responsible for removing any obstacles that may hinder the project's progress. They need to ensure that the project team has the support they need to overcome any challenges they may encounter. Determine how agile the project should be. 6. Determining how agile the project should be is typically a decision that is made collaboratively by the project sponsor, the project team, and other key stakeholders. The project sponsor can provide important input on the level of agility required based on the project's scope, complexity, business needs, and overall company culture. It is important to note that the specific roles and responsibilities of individuals in an agile environment can vary depending on the organization, team structure, and project needs. However, in general, the project sponsor provides high-level strategic guidance, secures resources, manages stakeholders, monitors progress, and removes obstacles to ensure the success of the project. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more PM tips.